In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to change animations using Playmaker and a UGUI button. In this scene, I've added the windmill from earlier videos. The rotation animation has already been created. So let's get started by opening the animator window. Docking it below so we can see both the animator and the scene windows. We're going to duplicate the rotation state. You can use Ctrl D or copy and paste. In this new state, we're going to reverse the animation by changing the speed in the inspector to a negative value. Next, we are going to create transitions from one state to the next. Right-click on the state and select Add Transition, then click on the state you want to transition to. Repeat this until you have transitions going both ways. Now we need a parameter that will tell the animator to switch states. On the left side of the animator window, press the parameter button, then press the plus symbol and add a bool. Give the bool a name. Next, click on the transition from the forward animation to the reversed animation. Under Conditions in the inspector, press plus and make sure the new bool parameter is on the left and the value is set to false. Make a condition on the transition from the reverse animation back to the forward animation. Make sure the bool parameter is on the left and the value is set to true. If we push play and manually toggle through the bool value, we can see the animation will make the transitions. Note that the animation does not transition immediately. So let's make a button to toggle back and forth. Add a UI button, resize and reposition the button to make it easier to see. Next, add a Playmaker FSM to the button. Press the Edit button to open the Playmaker window. Our FSM will need two states, forward and backward. We will also need two events, go backward and go forward. Add these states and the events and make the connections between the states. Click on the forward state and open the action browser. We will need two actions. The first is Set Animator Bool. In this action, we want to set the game object to specify game object and drag in the windmill. Select the parameter and set the value to true. Next, add the UGUI button on click event and set the send event to go backward. Repeat the process with the backward state, being sure to change the value in the Set Animator Bool action and in the UGUI button on click event. Once that's done, play the scene to make sure the button is working correctly. If you want the transitions to occur immediately, you can select the transitions in the animator and unclick the Has Exit Time option. While this will make the transitions immediate, you may notice more lurching in the animation transition. Hope that was helpful, and see you next time.